Hey signers! Today I'm not only going to teach you church signs, but also how to sign John 3:16. After you watch this video, go to learnhowtosign.org to sign up for our newsletter so you can keep up with all things Learn How to Sign. Like when we offer our very first live church signs class. Now, let's learn how to sign church signs. Faith. Faith. You have F-shaped hands coming from your forehead down with a slight little bounce. Faith. Believe. Believe. Your index finger is touching your forehead, coming down to C-shaped hands holding together. Believe. Reign or to rule. You have X-shaped hands on their side, moving them back and forth. Reign or to rule. Peace. Peace. Your hands come crossed in front of your face, twist and come down. Peace. Honor. Honor. You have H-shaped hands coming from your forehead up to who you are honoring. Honor. Glory. Glory. Your non-dominant hand is flat, with your dominant hand wiggling the fingers out. Glory. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. It's a clap with X hands going up into the air. Hallelujah. Live. Live. You have A-shaped hands moving up against your body because when you're living, you're breathing. Live. Sacrifice. Sacrifice. You have fists flipping up to flat hands. Sacrifice. Arose, like Jesus arising from the dead, showing that here he is coming up, arising from the dead. Arose. To go up or to ascend. This is Jesus going up or ascending. Always or forever. You have an index finger making a circle or that circle with a Y hand pushing out. Always or forever. Sin. Sin. You have X-shaped hands at your chin going in a circular motion down. Sin. Death, die, or pass away. You have one hand up and the other down, and they flip over. Death, die, or pass away. Crucify. Crucify. It's showing nailing the hands to the cross. Crucify. Grave. Grave. You have B-shaped hands that are making the dome of dirt of a grave. Grave. Conquer. Conquer. Your non-dominant arm is flat with your dominant coming over, conquering something. Conquer. Exchange. Exchange. Your index finger and your thumbs are touching together with your dominant forward switching with your non-dominant. Exchange. King. King. You're doing a K hand making the sash across your chest. King. Lion. Lion. It's representing the lion's mane. Lion. Lamb. Lamb. It's like you're shearing a sheep and it's small. Lamb. Miracle. Miracle. The sign wonderful with the sign happen. Miracle. Easter. Easter. It's the sign Sunday, but with E hands. Easter. Good Friday. Good Friday. The sign good and Friday put together. Good Friday. Passover. Passover. Your dominant hand is hitting the elbow of your non-dominant. Passover. Now it's time to learn how to sign John 3:16. To sign John 3:16, you're going to fingerspell John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whosoever believes in him will not perish, but have everlasting life. John 3:16. This is what I'm actually signing in ASL. God, love, world, people. His Son, gift, sacrifice, exchange. We believe him, not die, but live forever. Notice that when I'm signing this, I'm putting God and his Son up here to our top, typically on your dominant side. And then I'm putting the world over to the bottom left on my non-dominant side. And I'm showing the gift that is being given from God to the world. I hope you loved learning these church signs as much as I did teaching them. My first experience with learning sign language was actually through a community class with my mom where we learned the Lord's Prayer. This led her to become a sign language interpreter where our family attended a local deaf church. This was a wonderful experience for me to learn signs within a church. And then it led me to become a sign language interpreter because I was given so much encouragement and growth during that time. If this is something that interests you, I would encourage you to look up where your local deaf church is to see if they offer community classes. Maybe you're hard of hearing or deaf yourself. It's hard to find a better deaf community than through the local deaf church. Also, don't forget to sign up for our newsletter at learnhowtosign.org. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.